What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Osling channel. In this video I'm gonna show you our work on this beautiful BMW 840 Ci. We had many nice BMWs in our shop, but I think this is one of the nicest ones we ever had. The car has V8 engine, it's from 1998. The car was imported from UK by one of my customers, my regular customers. When car arrived, I thought the job will be kind of straightforward. What we have to do is paint correction on the car, ceramic coating. Overall, we need to do full detail on the car. We're not gonna touch the wheels as the wheels are gonna be removed. So, bar that, we're gonna do anything we can do with this car to make it as good as possible. Also, when it comes to interior, we have to do leather restoration. The seats are in overall okay condition. However, they need a bit of our touch to look back good again. When it comes to the interior of the car, overall the interior is in reasonable condition, not too dirty. However, the carpets need good clean, plastic needs freshen up. The biggest challenge in this car will be leather restoration. We have to restore the seats. So, as every detail job, we started from preparation of the exterior. So, the stages we do is 4-stage Vasco pre-wash for contactless tar removal, as well as for initial pre-wash. In this case, there was not much tar, so we left it for about 25 minutes. Any tiny spots were dissolved by the time. Now we rinse it off, and then we can go to the second stage. For the second stage, we use ADBL alkaline snow foam, a very good product for cleaning exterior. So we spray the foam, leave it for a few minutes, and then we will rinse it off. However, instead of waiting for the product to do its job, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to brush any hard to reach spots with detail brush. Then I'm gonna rinse off the foam, and after that I can start my contact wash with 2-bucket method. The next step is fallout removal. I don't expect too much overreaction on this paint. However, this is necessary step before machine polishing. And the last step of the preparation process will be clay barring. So with this step we will remove any impurities that we couldn't remove in the previous stages. When the car arrived in my place, it didn't actually look bad at all. Like, it had level of swirl marks on the paint. However, I don't many BMWs, and I couldn't see any sort of difficulties when it comes to paint like this. So I kind of assessed the job for 2-stage polishing, and I was nearly sure that this will work. However, when the car was fully washed, dried, and I brought it to my workshop, I got a little bit of shock. What I discovered while having the car here was that the car was covered in a very nasty looking orange peel. Usually cars have orange peel on the side panels. However, in the case of this car, every panel had excessive orange peel that even if we corrected the paint, removed the swirl marks, it still wouldn't look the job. So first of all, I thought I will try to reduce that orange peel, maybe with wool pads, which are very abrasive. However, this wasn't given the result that I would like to have there. Second thing I tried was denim pads. They are very effective sometimes for orange peel. However, in this case, it also wasn't enough to give good results. So then, like, the next step would be to try sanding pads, and for this I used 2000 sanding pads from Mirka. So in this case, the sanding pads from Mirka, I use them on dual action machine, give good results. After that, there is lots of refining required to make sure I'm not leaving any sanding marks. The goal is to achieve really good results. However, in the time I have for this car, and it's gonna be probably not enough time anyways, but we can't really double the job in this case, because like we have hours set for this car, which is around 35 hours. To remove the orange peel fully, I would probably have to spend on this car around 50-60 hours. So the goal of this job is to reduce the orange peel as much as possible, also refine it to as perfect finish as possible. I've already started to do the process, and in this case I will have sort of level of the orange peel similar to the level of orange peel that you can see on new cars. So in this case it's gonna take us a bit more time than we were expecting. However, achieving that nice result I think will pay back at the end, because we'll have such a lovely car in very nice condition. When it comes to refining the sanding marks, on some panels I use wool with heavy cut compound from Swag on rotary polisher, and that works pretty well. However, on some panels I also use, after the sanding, I use denim pad to cut the orange peel a little bit more and sort of refine the surface a little bit as well. After that I follow with the wool and rotary and heavy cut compound. That will also require another step. So we're talking about 3 to 4 stages to get this car back to proper condition. For the final refining, we will use medium cut compound from Swag as well. It works pretty well on this paint. The reason why we use a medium cut compound on dual action polisher and medium pad is because the paint is very hard. So if we use extra fine compound or extra fine combination, it won't refine it to the level we want it. After polishing, what we did is we rewashed the car, so we literally just sprayed the foam, left it for a few minutes, rinsed it off, just to remove any dust that could gather around the joints and those other places. So now we're ready for applying ceramic coating. We have the car well prepped. We have it after even the wash, we degreased it with panel wipe just to make sure it's fully prepped. We done dressing on trims, dress the wheels. We're gonna apply coating on the windows as well. For the paint, I'm going to use this coating, Clint Admire 3-year coating. I think it's perfect solution for this car, especially that this car is not gonna be driven daily. So this coating will last way longer. When it comes to the interior, we have it almost finished as well. All we have to do is put back the front seats. All the seats got leather restoration. We cleaned the interior, the rest of the interior. So the car is taking shape now. So the car is finished now. A lot of work is gone into this car overall. For the interior, we restored the leather, gave it good deep clean. Exterior got wet sanding, paint correction, ceramic coating. So let's have a look some of the before shots and after and see what sort of transformation we achieved on this car. So that's everything in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. if you have any questions about detailing or leather restoration, comment below. I'll answer it as best as I can. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any videos that I'm gonna publish in the next while. If you like this video, give me a thumb up so I know that you like the videos. It keeps me more motivated to do more content for YouTube, and see you on the next one.